Discover the best natural remedies for teeth grinding. Teeth grinding, also known as bruxism, is a condition in which a person grinds or clenches their teeth unconsciously, usually during sleep. Bruxism can cause a variety of dental problems, including tooth wear, tooth sensitivity, and jaw pain. In this article, we will explore the causes of teeth grinding and the best natural remedies for this condition. Causes of teeth grinding. The exact cause of bruxism is not fully understood, but it is believed to be a combination of psychological, genetic, and environmental factors. Some of the common causes of teeth grinding include stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety are some of the most common causes of bruxism. People who are under high levels of stress or have anxiety disorders may be more likely to grind their teeth. Sleep disorders. Sleep disorders such as sleep apnea and snoring can cause teeth grinding. These disorders interrupt the normal sleep cycle, leading to involuntary grinding of the teeth. Abnormal bite. An abnormal bite can cause teeth grinding. When teeth are misaligned or crooked, they may grind against each other, leading to bruxism. Medications. Certain medications such as antidepressants and antipsychotics can cause teeth grinding as a side effect. Natural remedies for teeth grinding. While there are various treatments for teeth grinding, including dental appliances and medications, there are also several natural remedies that can help to alleviate the symptoms of bruxism. Some of the best natural remedies for teeth grinding include magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that plays an essential role in muscle relaxation. Taking magnesium supplements can help to reduce the severity of teeth grinding and promote relaxation. Chamomile tea. Chamomile is a natural sedative that can help to calm the nervous system and reduce stress levels. Drinking chamomile tea before bedtime can help to reduce teeth grinding and promote relaxation. Valerian root. Valerian root is a natural sedative that can help to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Taking valerian root supplements can help to reduce the severity of teeth grinding and improve sleep quality. Lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil is a natural relaxant that can help to reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. Applying lavender essential oil to the temples and jaw muscles before bedtime can help to reduce teeth grinding. Vitamin B5. Vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid, is essential for the production of neurotransmitters that regulate muscle function. Taking vitamin B5 supplements can help to reduce the severity of teeth grinding and improve sleep quality. In conclusion, teeth grinding is a common condition that can cause a variety of dental problems and chronic pain. While the exact cause of bruxism is not fully understood, it is believed to be a combination of psychological, genetic, and